This here is the Zike USB-C extended storage for your iPhone 15. Now, what can you do with this device, guys? If you have an iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max, you can hook this up via the USB-C and you can shoot 4K 30 FPS ProRes video and store it directly here. Yes, that's correct. This here is an extended storage for your iPhone, but not only a storage device. It can do other things as well. It supports wire charging with 27 watts. It has also a very nice display that shows you things like temperature, transfer rate, and the best part is it attaches magnetically to your iPhone. And in this video I'm going to unbox it, show you how to set it up and test it. The best part is it really should work out of the box. Alright, let's start the test. Let's start with the unboxing. Zike USB-C extended storage for the iPhone 15. Again, it has built-in storage. There are 4 storage options, 128, 256, half a terabyte and also 1 terabyte. It has a color display, charging and transmissions shown on the screen, and it has a magnetic attachment. Alright, this is the box. Now guys, I'm gonna open it and take a look at the device itself. Wow. Alright, this here is the device. By the way, it weighs only 18 grams and it's made out of aluminium and plastic, so it should be very durable. It has a premium feel to it. And now the best part is I'm going to attach it to the phone and show you what you can do with it. I'm using the iPhone with a case, so the first thing that I'm going to test is if it's going to work with the case. Voila, as simple as that. Now the device is booting and we can see the Zike logo. Alright, 128, this is the built-in storage. Here guys, you can also see the transfer rate. We have 1 watts. The moment I'm gonna plug it up to the charger, we're gonna be seeing that charging information, and we know that my iPhone operates with 37 and now 38 Celsius. Okay, how should you set it up, guys? The thing is, it should work automatically with 4K 30 FPS ProRes video, and this is something I'm gonna test right now. I'm now in the settings of my iPhone, so I will scroll down to camera. Once I'm inside the camera, I'm gonna scroll down to formats here, and at the bottom we're gonna see something called Apple ProRes. Show camera control for ProRes. ProRes is one of the most popular formats for video professional post-production. A minute of 10-bit HDR ProRes takes 1.7 gigabytes for 30 FPS at 1080p and 6 gigabytes for 30 FPS at 4K, guys. And this is why it's good to have something like this. Remember, this comes with 128 gigabytes pre-included. So I've selected right now the Apple ProRes. The ProRes encoding is set to HDR, but it can be also standard definition, HDR. And right now, guys, I'm gonna turn the camera and see what is gonna happen. So the moment I turn on the camera, I can go to video. All right, and now guys, we're gonna be seeing here the ProRes control. The moment I initiate the ProRes here, right, I know I can only record 17 minutes. Right? And the thing is, USB-C is selected, which means that the video that I'm gonna record is gonna be stored directly on the device. How do I know this? Well, let me remove it. Okay, the moment I remove the device, okay, and I select the ProRes HDR one more time, you can see that I can only record 5 minutes, because right now I'm using the available memory from the iPhone, and I can tell you that it's not so much. And the moment I plug the USB-C extended storage from Zike, boom, 17 minutes, alright? So this is already the gain. Let me show you something quite interesting. This thing sticks out like this, and while you're shooting your video, this might not be the best position, because again, if you don't use a gimbal, it might be a problem to hold a phone like this. But there is a solution for this, because Zike included these very nice connectors. Very flexible, right? 2 sizes, guys. And what you can do with this, let me show you. You have to see this. You take the connector, you put your Zike extended storage like this, you hook it up on your iPhone, and the best part, guys, see? Yep, it has 2 strong magnets and it attaches to the MagSafe. This here is a MagSafe approved case, right? Now it's powering up, and now I'm back in my phone. I will select the ProRes HDR, and again you can see that the max time I have is 17 minutes. And if I am to disconnect the device, let me show you, you can do it like this, boom. Now I only have 5 minutes. So for sure this thing is working, but right now I'm going to shoot a video and see if the video is going to end up here. Now I still have 128 gigabytes free memory, and I have securely attached my Zike extended magnetic storage to my iPhone. I've selected ProRes HDR, and right now guys, I'm going to start and see what is going to happen. So right now I'm already recorded on the device. I know this because I can see from here the USB-C. I'm already recording 3 minutes and 30 seconds of ProRes video, and I can see the temperature indication 62 Celsius already on the iPhone guys, and the 2 watts is what I am discharging. So now I'm gonna stop the video. All right, let's stop it. When I started the video I had 17 minutes, now I have max time 15 minutes. The display is small but is readable under direct sunlight. Now don't expect any miracles, right? It will just do the job fine. And I'm going to connect the charger to the Zike USB-C extended magnetic storage guys, and we're going to be testing what is happening here. Now remember, this shows not only the free space and also the temperature and also the charging information. So as you can see right now, the watts are going up. This device supports 27 watts. All right, so if the iPhone can handle it, then for sure we're going to be able to see here 27. Right now I'm charging the iPhone with a travel adapter, so I don't think we're going to get 27, but we're getting stable 10 watts, and this is the charging information. You can see also the voltage and also the amps and also the temperature right now. The best part is that you can hook this up not only to your iPhone 15 and of course any other phone that has USB-C. So right now I'm connecting the Zike magnetic USB-C extender to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As we can see, we already have the information here, the temperature and the storage. And if I go here, the USB storage is directly detected, so I can open it, right? And right now guys, I will go inside and there is this folder. This here is the ProRes video that I recorded. I have now connected the Zike USB-C extended storage directly to my laptop via USB-C, and you can directly access your files on the USB storage. I was also able to play the video file that I recorded directly from the Zike drive, and what I wanted to show you guys is the file information, because from here you can see that the file size is indeed 13.7 gigabytes. The overall bitrate is 523 megabits per second, and you can also see the format profile. It is really QuickTime, and the format here is ProRes, of course also HDR included. So if you ever wanted to extend the storage of your iPhone, or let's say your Android device, because yes, you can put this also to your Nintendo Switch or any Android phone, you can try the Zike USB-C magnetic extender. Test it, it works, I approve. Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.